Victory will always be determined by preparations. Uma ufuna ukuphumelela la usuke uyakhona kubalekile ukuyilungiselela ngani yakwethu uyaqala ke unyaka abantu abayilungiselele umuntu angavumbuke sevumbuka ngoSeptember ecabanga ukuthi uzokwenza izinto zenzeke. There's no magic in this life. Silvula kanjalo kuhlelo lwethu lwayo ke iDurban Network. I am your host Sabel Umfokandabase. La sikwingosi yeSport Avenue la ngibambele khona usithokoziso umntaka Ntshangase kanti ke sinosibongeleni Mfokamkhwane usual suspect la e-studio Mfokamkhwane Mwelase siyakubingelela e-studio.
Ngikubingelele Mfokandabase ngibingelele nabalaleli beDurban Network.
Mfowethu ngani yakwethu siphuma nje kwi-festive siyazi ukuthi abemaningi ama tournament akade khona nane AFCON ikhona la South Africa or Bafana has finally bowed out of the AFCON which is a continental tournament. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho?
Yeah, kona kubhlungu kakhulu ukubona iqembu lethu after lenze kahle kangaka kwi-tournament edlule i-AFCON.
Yes.
Liphuma kulesigaba eliphuma kusona. Ngicabanga ukuthi it goes back to ama preparations ka coach prior to iyona i-AFCON le edlalwayo manje eMorocco. Ngicabanga ukuthi when he organized that friendly game esayidlala neGhana, there was no need ukuthi abe ne preliminary squad azoyibiza yabadlali abaningi of which uyazi ukuthi vele uma eya kwi-tournament akazobasebenzisa.
Yes.
Ngicabanga ukuthi siya kuleya game eGhana kwakufanele vele aye ne-team aziyo ukuthi uyosebenzisa yona direct kwi-AFCON. Akhele phezu kwayo. And ibafana throughout the qualifiers ibidlala kahle ububona ukuthi abadlali abanga-edwa it's here and there. So there was no need ukuthi abiza abadlali abaningi because lokho ku destabilize ne-camp because abadlali sebaningi uzozama uku-introduce new players bangakwazi ukuthi ba-adapt sekufanele bashiye aqhubeke nabadlali abevele nabethembele kubona. So ngokwama preparations ngicathi wenze wrong lapho bese ngibuya kuyona i-tournament sesifikile ke kwi-tournament kuma qualifiers besidlala a very attacking football ezibafana and siqale i-tournament on a low note. Angicabanga ukuthi siqale ngendlela ebesi expectile. The reason why i-approach ka coach this time around was too defensive. We were too defensive as a team, hence he was using two defensive midfielders. And ngizobuyela egamini ekuyiyona esikike out kwi-tournament lesidlale neCameroon.
Yes.
La engibone khona a defender ngabantu abawu7 egamini eyi1. I don't think that was a good idea. Yes, when it comes to Bafana, we always have different opinions.
Yes.
There are players who everyone believes that they were supposed to be part of the national team, and there are players that they believe they don't deserve to be there. So everyone has got his own opinion. Nami nginowami umbono ukuthi ekubopheleni kwakhe ischeme abadlali bekunabadlali ekufanele ngabe bayalithola ithuba lokuthi babe nama-minutes amaningi enkundleni.
Yes.
Ngizobala uMfokeng asimbonanga kakhulu kule AFCON.
Yes.
Ngibale uEvidence Mahopa kufanele ngabe simbone nama-minutes amaningi enkundleni.
Yes.
Ngibale uMohau Nkotha.
Yeah.
All those players are doing very well for their respective team. So uma unabo at your disposal, you must make sure that you utilize them so that bezoqhubeka ne-momentum abanayo abasuka nayo ema-club nabo ukuze iqembu lesizwe lenze kahle. And i-lineup yakhe njengoba ngisho ngithi ayi-defensive umqondo umbuyele sekulate ukuthi no, let me sacrifice one defender okusibisi agcine emkhiphile, of which it was too late.
Yes.
And it's proved that ukube wevele eqale
kanjalo
nge-approach right ngabe iqembu lakwazi ukuthi lenze kahle. It never took so long introduce evidence Makgopa ukuthi athole igol.
Yes.
Of which I think bekumdlali ebesimnida from the start of the AFCON. Ukuthi adlale yonke imidlalo yebafana. Not ukuthi aqhamuke izikhamyo adlale o 10-5 minutes.
Yes.
You don't need to Makgopa for that small time. Umdinga throughout a game because i-work rate yakhe is far better than our main striker Lyle Foster. Taking nothing away from Lyle Foster, is a very good striker. And he gave us 2 assists in this tournament. He gave us 2 goals. But I also believe that having someone like Makgopa who knows how to bring my colleagues' work into play when it comes to a striker. Because that is what makes Makgopa, for me, to be better than most of the strikers in South Africa. Iwona mehlukana ukuthi uma ebamba ibhola uyakwazi ukuthi alindoza kwabo abadlalise badlale bashare ibhola ba create ama goal scoring opportunities, of which logo siyakubona na Orlando Pirates. Uyabona Orlando Pirates, there are rumors now ukuthi bangadedela ngisho uMabasa because they believe ukuthi their main striker is Evidence Makgopa. Uyababona osuni ba-Police bafike ku-Pirate benza kahle kakhulu ngenxa yani yakhe lo muntu okwazi ukuthi ababambela ibhola bathi mebemjoyina kwi-attack akwazi ukuthi abadlalise bangene epacini bakwazi uscorisha amagoli. And lokho bezokwazi ukuthi kuyisebenzele ibafana because kwi-AFCON edlule ama-combinations esasambe nawo kwakweyo iMamelodi Sundowns, of which afika sebenza futhi kahle ngendlela. Coming to lineup again on the left hand side, udlale ngama defender awu2 on the left hand side. Udlale ngo TLB.
Yes.
Wadlala ngo Kabini, Samkelo Kabini, lo bedlala ku TS Galaxy. I think had we started with Aubrey Modiba lapha, of which he gave us ama options amaningi when we are attacking. Yes, he's not that good when it comes to marking, but umas attacker usinikeza ama options amaningi because you got uTLB, you got uSibisi, you got Ungezana at the back. And lokho akusebenzelanga. So ama center back wakhe kwakufana enze sure ukuthi he played with 2 center backs, of which kwakufana sacrifice koyedwa phakathi kwaSibisi, uMbokazi, Ungezana ukuthi which one of the 3 start on the bench kwakuzoba ngcono kakhulu. Icathi nje wayimosha kwi lineup yakhe, but coming to a game plan yakhe ku coach again, we can blame him for a approach a game, but looking at our chances as our creator as iBafana kulo mdlalo weCameroon, I think khona kokufane sikuthole kulo mdlalo uma ubuka ama chances as our creator ku first half, even on kwi second half we got those few chances obonayo ukuthi no la kufane ngabe senze kangcono.
Ake sikhulume mhlambe ngabadlali abanjenga noSithole esazi ukuthi emathimini abo bebeloko bengayitholi game time, okuchaza ngokusobala ukuthi ifitness level yabo it is not up to standard, having to consider ukuthi lo muntu uya AFCON, i-competition is too high, i-performance yakhe obvious izosokola there and there. Kusho ukuthini ukugcina kuthathwa abantu mhlambe ngoba kubheka ukuthi badlala emazweni aphesheya, yet emathimini yabo they are not the regular players?
I think kuyinkinga yakhe umqeqeshi aseyikhombise kaningi since ethathe over kwiBafana.
Yes.
Uma ekholelwa kumdlali usuke ekholelwa kuyena, irrespective ukuthi uyadlala eteamini yakhe wakadlali. Lento yokulanda abadlali phesheya mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi abadlali uyayenza nala. Ngizokutshela ngoSibisi. Ama center back wePirates this season umbekezela Imbokazi noCM.
Yes.
Where is Sibisi? on the bench. Kwi-Sundowns ama midfielders akhona oba Marcelo Allende nomkwena. Where is Bathusi Obas?
He's on the bench.
On the bench. So it's not like lento uyenza kubadlali baphesheya. Nala uyakwenza lokho. Engicabanga ukuthi as izwe akusenzeli lutho. Akusenzeli lutho. Abadlali obadingayo nje you should pick them according to i-performance emathimini abo. There were players who were left out to win national team of which we believe they were deserving to be there. But because we are not talking politics, we are talking football.
Yes.
I can't mention names.
Yes.
Because it will cause a confusion to some supporters, and I will end up being insulted for nothing, you know, because football is a game of opinions. Everyone has got his own opinion.
Asibuka indaba yakhe uRele Mofokeng. Ukungadlaliswa kwakhe, is it because of age or is it because mhlawumbe ucoach usuke ebona ukuthi istage sikhulu kunaye, noma mhlawumbe there's something that is attached to it that we don't know?
At this point in time, there is no stage bigger than Mofokeng now. Mofokeng has played ku Champions League. Wenza kahle. Mofokeng has played to one of the biggest derbies in Africa. Soweto derby, wenza kahle. Mofokeng has won so many individual accolades because of doing well ku Betway Premiership.
Yes.
So I don't think it was a matter of thinking that he won't make it ku tournament njenge AFCON. Teams are coming with young stars there. There is one boy from Ivory Coast. He is 19, Torre.
Yes.
He is starting each and every game, and then we come with this perceptionist now la eMzansi yokuthi abadlali bancane ngeke bakwazi ukumelana nengcindezi ehambisana na this tournament and that tournament. How they will gain experience uma bengadlaliswa kulama tournaments amakhulu?
Yes.
Ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukudlala kahle ku Champions League angakwazi ukudlala kahle ku AFCON.
Yes.
Those are two biggest tournaments eAfrica. So uma ukwazi ukwenza kahle ngala, kupossible ukuthi ufike wenze kahle nangala.
Yes.
As I said, he has played naku Soweto derby okuyiderby enkulu ethathwa njengenkulu kulawa la eAfrica. So ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bekuyiyona le approach ekade ngikhala ngayo ya coach ukuthi ube defensive kakhulu kule AFCON ebesidlala. Akufananga nale AFCON esasidlala sasisaphuma kuma semi-final. La esasidlala ibhola elalivulekile in each and every department Bafana was performing.
Asike sikhulume ngoMoha Onkotha, who played a very tremendous role kuma qualifications weBafana, playing almost every game. Kodwa simbone nje sideline kakhulu kulama game awu4 awadlalile. What do you think could be the reason for that action?
I was very surprised. Ngiyafana na, I was very surprised ukubona Moha Onkotha eba nama, I think it didn't play kule AFCON. Akana ma minutes Onkotha kule AFCON. And it's surprising because kwiqembu lakhe leladlalela uphesheya wenza kahle, nama collapse abewathola sephesheya ebuyeza ngala ubefika enze kahle.
Yes.
I think maybe there is some tension kwi working relationship here because coach wethu is very vocal sometimes. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe there is that tension between them because you can't tell me ukuthi Moha Onkotha bekufanele angadlali for the whole tournament.
Because ama minutes engawakhumbula nje mhlawumbe wangena kwakusele boma 10 minutes, was it a second game or something?
Yeah.
So that means really
to him it's nothing.
Yeah, it's
considering
really
umdlala uyena nestatus sakhe nendlela enza ngayo eqembini lakhe nendlela abenza ngayo kuBafana prior to iAFCON. Wemwelas kunenkulumo yakhulunywa
phambili ngayi Bafana yokuthi somewhere somehow ayibonakalanga ifluidity kusuka lapha kwi back to kuza la eswini that means I connection between I back to nalabo abaseswini abantu abanjenga mhlawumbe naye uSithole nomkwena okwakwenza kube nzima ukuthi ibhola balimukele bakwazi ukulibeka emasayidini okanye balibeke ku mid striker yabo kwase kuvela ukuthi I combination ayakade isetshenziswe uHugo Bruce last time yakade ibuya ku Sundowns okwakwenza kube lula ukuthi le fluidity ibe khona ngoba abadlali avela abanayo leyo nhlobo ye combination thini ukuphawula kwakho la
ngicathi lokho kudlala indima enkulu kakhulu uzongibuyisela kulento ekade ngiyibalekela ukuthi angifuni ukuveza amagama abadlali because I strongly believe ukuthi kuma center back we Sundowns I will mention two akade dlala Club World Cup oku uKiani Cupido kube uGrant Kekana ngiyacabanga ukuthi one of those two defenders bekufanele abekhona
could have been there
bekufanele abekhona na kanjani kwiAfcon not ukuthi kufanele afike adlale because not all the players abazokwazi ukuthi badlale kwiAfcon baparticipate but ukuba khona kwakhe mhlambe bengawenza umehluko ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach wethu kona ukuzama ukwenza izinto ezintsha iAfcon esike eduze kanje enye izinto embuyisele emomba because on my side there was no reason for dropping Lauma defender Sundowns ukubafana there is no reason
there's no reason
for dropping uGrant Kekana. He is playing at Sundown. He is a regular starter at Sundown. And that is what made him to be part of iAfcon le edlule. So kushintsheni manje because usadlala phela.
Yes.
He is a regular. And you got uSibisi at Pirate. Who's a bench warmer. I can say that because they normally give uSibisi game time maybe toward the end of the game to shut the back door. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi one of them between uGrant Kekana noCupido kufanele ngabe besiye naye kwiAfcon.
uHugo Bruce usema minute nokugcina ecareer yakhe neBafana ngokubuka kwakho with him having to bow out of AFCON so early kunomthelelo omngakanani ukuthi mhlawumbe makade beplan ukuvuselela icontract yakhe noma makade beplan ukumncenga is there any still possibilities of such?
I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening. Looking at his age. Looking at his age, he is on his early 70s. And when you look at Bafana, I think we should look at the future now.
Yes.
We should blood in a new blood in a technical team so that going forward, sizokwazi ukuthi sakhe i-team mobile nesokwazi ukuthi participate ngayo kuma tournaments amakhulu. So vele i-contract yakhe iyaphela and angiyiboni isafa ivuselela. Angiyiboni. And what makes matters worse lokuphuma kwiAfcon. Even if bebenako ukuthi mhlawumbe bangana ukuthi bamncenge but no osinikeze noma unyaka owodwa oyembili. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabo umqondo usuzoshintsha manje. And looking at how a team performed ayenzanga kahle kule AFCON. So they have no reason to back him.
Kunomuntu owathi noma ake ngithi one of the very prominent and popular fan of Kaizer Chiefs ovamile ukufika la ekuthiwa usikelela amahigh uyawaveza indaba yokuthi kuyoba nzima for ucoach ozosucceeda uHugo Bruce kwibafana ekhala ngokuthi uBruce akanayo i-team ayakhile kodwa usebenza ngama-team that are currently on form currently with good combination as well. So ngabe mawubuka kuyiqiniso yini lokho ukuthi akanaso ngempela isquad esibambekayo asakhe.
I tend to differ with umbono kaMahaya. Yes, ngiyamazi ikhosi esijwayele ukuba nalo impela isikhathi esiningi. But I tend to differ with his opinion. Ngicabanga ukuthi uma ubheka abadlali abakubafana bafana,
yes,
ucoach usehlale nabo isikhathi eside bese eqenjini lesizwe.
Yes.
There are few new faces kwibafana bafana. Even oZunia Police were part of ibafana bafana besadlala ko Polokwane City, not ku Pirate. So ngicabanga ukuthi going forward ucoach ubenza kahle kakhulu. And akanayo ichoice yokuthi angakhetha abanye abadlali ngoba naku ethi wenza ifuture. Usuke ngena choice abadlali uma beperforma cause that is what makes a national team. You are picking up ama players aperformayo. Yes, ubebalanda abantu laba esibamenishinile abangewona ama regulars emathimini abo. But in most cases njengoba ububona iSundowns bithi me performa kahle agxile kuyona. Pirate performa kahle manje ogxila kuyona. So you don't have a choice as a coach. You have to pick up those players who are performing in their respective teams.
So but then don't you think lokho kusuke kungayona combination yakho kushuthi combination ye Pirates?
It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It's about what you want as a coach. You can't tell me I have to take a certain number of players ku Mamelodi Sundowns ngibashiya abanye cause ngenzela abanye abantu ukuthi bazothi combination yalela qembu. If you see ukuthi team iperforma yonke ungayibiza yonke nayi iSpain sike senza kahle ngabadlali almost the whole starting lineup was abadlali beBarcelona. Only 2 players were playing for Madrid. I think Iker Casillas no Sergio Ramos. And they won the World Cup.
Yes.
Ebholeni is about ama combinations, nothing else.
Yes, I can agree to that kuwena ngoba abanye bayaye bathi ucoach we national team uhlala isikhathi esincane nabadlali.
Yes.
So kufanele vele ahlale ezogijimisa abadlali abane combination because he won't have the adequate time to build a combination, you know?
To add nje entweni oyishoyo, can you imagine ukube ucoach we-squad is allowed to take, let's say, two players in all the Betway Premiership teams? Uzoyithola nini lo muntu i-combination yokuthi team yakhe ijele kahle ikwazi ukuthi yenze kahle? Ithina esiyoqala futhi isikhale kuqala sithi ayekho into yalomuntu uyahluleka ukuthi awine isiqembu while he is still fighting to get a combination from all these different players abaqhamuka in different teams.
Yeah, mhlambe sesiphuma esquadini umbuzo mhlambe ogcina sesobheka kuma new signings ama team ahlukahlukene esesibone veza ama new signings. If according to you Hugo Bruce aba renew contract yakhe, ubani ocabanga ukuthi is a good candidate to take over?
I won't be specific. I won't be specific and say ucoach ubani uyena onga-right, but ngingakwazi ukuthi ngisho umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi awulungele umsebenzi weBafana Bafana. I-personality yakhe. Umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi alungele umsebenzi weBafana Bafana, umuntu ongeze uthola influence from isafa indlela izinto ezenziwa ngayo. Umuntu ozothumela lapha astempe iauthority yakhe, kwaziwe ukuthi yini yena ayifuna as a coach, kungabi ukuthi isafa ayifunana. Because in most cases our coach abahlulekile kwilokhu iBafana Bafana isikhathi esiningi bebezwa ngayo isafa. Bengafuni ukuthi umuntu afike nento yakhe athi njengoba ngifika la iplan yami it ivision enginayo ngale team eninginika yona ithi kanje. angezwa ngabantu azobafica asabe ukuthi asho imfuno zakhe abone ukuthi amaboss ami lawo so I must not voice opinion yami izwakala eqenjini lesizwe. So sidinga ucoach onjalo ozokwazi ukuthi avuleleke kube umsebenzi wakhe wokwazi ukuthi yini ayidingayo kubafana. And sinabo ke in most cases sinabo abantu abanjalo eMzansi. Ngingakwenzela nje ibonelo zabo. Upitso is one of them. Rulani Mkwena is one of them. Abantu abathi mebefika eqenjini iqembu caca ukuthi lisezandleni zabo.
Kushintsha yonke into kubonakala umahluko.
Every setup iyashintsha, technical team, indlela nje kusuke kwenzeka ngayo usukubona ukuthi this man is in charge. Iliyo nto sifuna ukuyibona kuBafana, sifuna ukuyibona iholwa umuntu onjalo. Of which I think la eMzansi uPitso has been there before. It's never work out.
Couldn't produce ama results ayelindelekile.
But knowing uPitso ukuthi how vocal he is, but he failed to deal with that pressure etholakala uma under isaf.
Ukunikeza ama orders.
Rulani Mkwena, a very good young and upcoming coach, but I think he still lacks some certain aspect of being a national team coach. Yes, for the future, we can look at him. But now, ngicathi usarathi at the club level, but ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngawo yena umuntu mhlambe singaphinde sirevisite ilokhuzi camp yakhe simbheke ukuthi wenza kanjani, because I strongly believe ukuthi uRulani is one of the best coaches esinawo la eMzansi.
Kuneyinkulumo nje ezivelayo ngama blogs ahlukahlukene ukuthi kungenzeka noma ezithi ubaba uPatrice Motsepe useveze ukuthi indodana yakhe uSihlopi Motsepe noma uHlopi Motsepe akaqale ama talks noPitso Mosimane ukuthi abuyele kuSundowns. If lokho kuyiqiniso, would you then consider that as a good move?
Considering a relationship abake banayo in the past few years since uPitso Mosimane eshiye kuMamelodi Sundowns, of which angikho sure noma seya resolve kangendlela yini ukuthi bangakwazi ukuthi basebenzisane kahle as a team and a coach. But if kuukuthi sebakwazi ukuthi ba sort out ama differences ababe nawo, ngiyakholelwa ekutheni uPitso angakwazi ukuthi abe indoda right engakwazi ukuthi yenze kahle ne team njengemamelodi Sundowns. uPatrice Motsepe uyazi ukuthi what uPitso can bring to the team. He has done it before with the Mamelodi Sundowns. He has done it with the Al Ahly. So uPitso does not need even introduction ebholeni. Siyayazi iMamelodi Sundowns iqembu elikholelwa kakhulu ekutheni lenze kahle emidlalweni yaseAfrika. Starting from here at home, qale lenze kahle la domestic league bese liphumela ngaphandle lidlala iChampions League. So inhloso kaMotsepe ivision yakhe kwakuwukuthi ucoach azomthola after uPitso Mosimane akwazi ukuthi athole istar sesibili, of which I think useshintsha abaqeqeshi abaningi after uPitso. Uyabona ukuthi igoal yakhe akayimethi. So what he must do now is to get back to his roots. Empandeni abuyele eMumba afika azishaya phansi kuPitso at Mr Mosimane. Sike sang nokungaboni ngasolinye ze club nawe, but lokho asikubuyisele eceleni njengamadoda. Nake ngikudinga kuwena kuqhubeka umsebenzi wephambili, ngoba ngiyakholelwa ekutheni ucoach njengoPitso Mosimane uma engaphindela kwiMamelodi Sundowns ipossibility yokuthi bayithole i-second star ikhona.
Ake sibuke yona iSundowns from i-departure kaRulani Mkwena, into eseyiyona kuze kuzofika kule stage. Umubuka wena yini mhlambe limazi iSundowns konake lephi izinto zibhidlika kweliphi side up to this position that they find themselves in.
I think too many changes technical staff. I think that is their downfall. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi after kuhambe uPitso, it was a big mistake to release uRulani Mkwena. It was a big mistake.
Yes.
Had they kept him, angesho ukuthi ngabe usewinile iChampions League.
Yes.
But looking at umsebenzi awenzayo eqenjini lakhe njengamanje, nafike wawenza kwiWydad. Uyabona ukuthi i-capability yokuthi akwazi ukuthi athwale iqembu eAfrica likwazi ukuthi lenza kahle unayo. Kwi-Club World Cup umbonile bedlala noMan City.
Yes.
iWydad bengayona nje team just walk over for ama-team amakhulu. Ibikwazi ukuthi ibanikeze i-run for their money. So ngicathi izinto zonakala lapho nokuthi bayolanda ke omunye umqeqeshi ngaphandle. Yes, ubenalo ulwazi leMamelodi Sundowns ngoba i-team eyaziwa eAfrica, but when you talk about i-team enkulu njengoMamelodi Sundowns kufanele uyaze from impande zayo, i-culture, ukusuka nokuhlala kwayo yonke into engaphakathi eqenjini, nokuthi uzolandwa nje from somewhere bese kuthiwa yenza umsebenzi. Wena ufike nezindlela zakho zaziyo zokuqeqesha bese uthi uthatha iqembu elikhulu njengeMamelodi Sundowns. Ngicathi iyona challenge yabankulu kakhulu. But for i-continuity kwakuzobe good idea ukuthi uRulani ahlale kuMamelodi Sundowns.
Ake sibuke ukulimala kwaThemba Zwane. Umuntu for more than 5 to 6 or 7 seasons who has been dominating kuMamelodi Sundowns, making sure ukuthi when it comes to i-attacking structure uyakwazi uku-organize enza izinto zenzeka. Right now umuntu, or I can say he's an injury prone, that says angeke usaguarantee ukuthi unekusasa naye. At any given time ukhona uyanyamalala bla 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 bla. Kunabadlali ke abaye introduce after the departure of a Brazilian Lucas Ribeiro. I think it's 2 players. Then recently, weeks ago, there's a striker also who has been introduced. But the question is, ukuhamba kwaZwane kakhulu njenganomuntu okuyena ocreator ifluidity my attacker iMamelodi Sundowns, ngokubuka kwakho le approach abayisebenzisayo kanye labadlali ababa introduce, do they have the credibility to meet up nalento uZwane akade eyenza over the years?
Ke ngiqale nje with both players ukuThemba Zwane no Lucas Ribeiro. Icathi kwadlala indima enkulu kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi balahlekelwe abadlali bakulelo zinga. Yes, uLucas Ribeiro wehambe yosayina nelinye iqembu, but uThemba Zwane kwakuwumuntu in and out eteamini because of ama injuries.
Yes.
And logo it didn't do team any favors. Bese ngibuyela la ekutheni indawo yakhe uLokhuza uThemba Zwane ingakwazi ukuthi ivalwe kanjani kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Ngicathi it take a very special player to play that position. Edlalwa uAtazwane. Hence even uHugo Bruce esafika kubafana waqale wanokumngabaza, but in the end sagcina sesitshelwa ngayo ukuthi sesitshelwa uyena ucoach ukuthi uThemba Zwane is the best number 10 eMzansi esinayo.
Yes.
And it's very rare to get ama players njengoThemba Zwane. uThemba Zwane even the late Clive Barker even mentioned that he's out of this world in terms of talent analo.
Yes.
In terms of doing things when a team is attacking. uZwane umdlalo kwazi ngisho ukudlala kuma tight spaces noma kuthiwa iqembu lakhe livalwe kanjani. But uma unomdlalo okwazi ukubamba ibhola njengoThemba Zwane uyakwazi ukuthi unlockele i-defense ye team enisuke nidlala nayo. so kuzoyithatha isikhathi iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ijwayele ukudlala ngaphandle kwabo. In terms of abadlali abanabo ongakwazi ukuthi avale indawo yakhe, I'm still waiting to see ukuthi ucoach imuphi umdlali lo azoze amqoka ukuthi cha lo ake ngimsebenzise regularly kule ndawo lebedlala uThemba Zwane. So bese sibona lapho ukuthi wenza kanjani lo mdlalo ozobefakiwe, because as we speak now I'm still not sure ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns imuphi umdlali engakwazi ukuthi imidlalo esekuleya ndawo yaThemba Zwane akwazi ukuthi come closer to him, because no one will be like uThemba Zwane, to be fair. No
kunomdlali ngesikhathi saPitso ayehleze option ukuthi should uThemba Zwane ehlelwe iform noma ahambe ethimini, uyena mdlali amthembile ukuthi angakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke, okuPitso Mkhulisi, uSiphelele Mkhulisi, for which over the years after the departure of Pitso Mosimane he's been struggling to get the game time, okwenza ukuthi iform yakhe ugcina ungayazi ukuthi imamaphi. Let's assume Pitso is coming back for an argument's sake. Do you see uSiphelele Mkhulisi ephinde ligqoke ijezi leMamelodi Sundowns ngokuphelele?
Yeah, I think he will enjoy more game time under Pitso Mosimane. They had a very good working relationship before uPitso esaku Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
But coming to your question ukuthi uzokwazi yini ukuthi ayivale indawo kaThemba Zwane, ngicathi there are two different players. Yes, uPitso wezama ukuthi avale ngayo isikhala uma uthi akekho, but when you look at their creativity and their entries in the opposition boxes, uThemba Zwane make more entries to the opposition box.
Yes.
While uSiphelele Mkhulisi likes to stay in the middle and spray those passes kuma attackers. And uThemba Zwane is a goal scoring midfield, while uSiphelele Mkhulisi akayena umuntu othola amagoli njalo. So there are two different players. Ngicabanga ukuthi uPitso mebuya naye uyobaza ukuthi uhlalela umsebenzi ukuthi athole umuntu ozodlala unumber 10 Mamelodi Sundowns.
Iyabuya ileague iphelile indlela eSouth Africa. Yes, iAfcon sase on kodwa umgqiqo wethu as South Africans uphelile. That means iya resume ileague. Sibonile iMamelodi Sundowns ubuyela training. Amanye ama team soon they'll be heading back to training. Iyaqhubeka icompetition. iOrlando Pirates iyona ihola phambili. Kungakube singayibona yini Orlando Pirates izibamba kanje until May or June?
Ngicabanga ukuthi siya ekhefini le Afcon Orlando Pirates benza kahle kakhulu, and nayo iMamelodi Sundowns they were starting to get rhythm yabo, besebenza kahle nabo sekuzovalela iAfcon. So we are still waiting to see ukuthi how far they will go with their performance going to iLokhuzana to the end of the season. But this season I strongly believe ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns they won't get it easy this season. Orlando Pirates they are in for their money.
Yes,
they want to give them a run for their money. So if someone can say I must flip the coin and say iBetway Premiership izoya kuphi this season, ngingayikhombe Mayfair. Looking at how Orlando Pirates is organized under their new coach.
Yes,
Sundowns they still got those problems.
Yeah,
as you mentioned before ukuthi there are rumors ukuthi even ucoach bacabanga ngomshintsha ongeke kuze kube into right uma isizini sakanje izoba na kuyi destabilize the team when it comes to fighting for iBetway Premiership. So yes, ngiyayibona iPirates izokwazi ukuthi with the very same coach oqale kahle isizini ivele izoqhubeka naye.
Kodwa ucabanga ukuthi i-break engaka mhlawumbe ingayiphazamisa i-momentum ya iPirates?
I don't think that will have a big impact ku Orlando Pirates. I don't think that will have a big impact. yes le break kona ke iyawenza umehluko eqenjini kodwa uma ukade uyibuka iPirates ubuka nomqeqeshwayo ubuka ukubambisana okungaphakathi eqenjini because ikona okubalekile eqenjini once you have a happy dressing room
yes
half of your job as a coach is done
yes
sekusele kuwena ukuthi lo 50 ukwenza kanjani tactically nezinye izinto eziphathelene neqembu kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi ivibe ekade benayo going to break and winning Black Label prior to AFCON and winning that Black Label Cup also again which was played by almost ama players angajwayele ukudlala eteamini so everyone wants to perform at Pirate you can see that new coach is giving everyone a chance so laba bathola ichance ngalesikhathi bedlala le cup yokugcina abanye bekwi AFCON they want to maintain indawo zabo eteamini so it will be very nice and it will be very interesting to see how they will bounce back after this long break.
As we not writing off iKaizer Chiefs knowing very well ukuthi ngokwama game basangayiwina nabo ileague looking at approach yabo from the beginning of the season towards the end of this break, do you see them penetrating and getting more wins that they can sustain this title?
I think for Chiefs it will be very difficult. It will be very difficult after they lost their coach and caretaker coaches took over.
Yes.
And things seems not to work well for them.
We've heard the stories at Dylan Kerr, some Kumbul Dylan Kerr.
Dylan Kerr, former Black Leopard coach, former Moroka Swallows.
Who's a very good coach, by the way.
He's a very good coach, but at Chiefs Sundowns Pirate, you don't just need a good coach. You need someone with a personality. It comes with a big pressure to be in those big three. Yes, I know they didn't care. He never coached one of those big or fancy teams who betway Premiership. My teams were always fighting relegation. So taking someone like that, umpla the inner team yakho, even if ama result awasaqhamuka, emqondweni yabantu kuzobe nokuthi yini owuyibone kulo muntu because he has never achieved anything before.
But he has played more than 2 finals.
Yes, he has
with
played
Marumo Gallants and the other one with, I can't be very sure, but Mabila final awadla.
Yes, but Chiefs ike yaba kuleyo situation even before. They've appointed coach Steve Kompela, why coach yabo. And ukwazile ke yena luckily ukuthi adlala ama finals awu2. But wabona ukuthi ukungabi naso isipiliyoni sokuba seqenjini elikhulu as head coach kudlala indima kuyena because wawaluza umabili la uma final.
Yes.
The first one wayidlala ne Ajax Cape Town MTN 8. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula kahle. Wayiluza leyo and the second one was against the Sundowns la eMabhida. Of which I think Chiefs they could have won that game.
Yeah.
Looking at, they lost it by 3-1. On the game, during the game, Chiefs yathola ama penalty awu2
Yes, I still remember.
Yathola ama penalty awu2. So psychologically, I think nama players ayengekho ekutheni ngoba sihamba newinner. Sinalo umqondo we-winning mentality. Vele sesidliwe i-Ajax laphana. Kungabe sekuyasiphinda ini lokho. There was that nervousness kubadlali beChiefs kuleya final abayidlala neSundowns. They could have matched Sundowns lapha. Wa Kamaldeen Abrawa geji penalty noba Siphiwe Shabalala. Yeah, they both miss ama penalties.
Yes.
Of which if those penalties went in, Chiefs ayizokwazi ukuthi yenze kangcono against the Sundown.
Ni ku division engaphansi nidonse uKate Lunches no Thabo Mngomeni. Ngicabanga ukuthi uzonisupply ngabadlali.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi that was a very good choice. That was a very good choice from my president Mr Zungu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uKate Lunches no Thabo Mngomeni sebesebenzile isikhathi esiningi in the lower leagues together. Hence uyababona futhi ubalande kanye eqenjini leli DDC. So ngilindele ukuthi we'll see more young players getting promoted to the first team. Yes, it was happening because uyabona even now sinabadlali abaningi abaqhamuka kwi DDC
and they doing very well.
Yeah. So ngicabanga ukuthi uKate Lunches no Thabo Mngomeni bazo add that much needed experience in that DDC team. Sizokwazi ukuthi sithole abadlali abahle abazobe beqhamuka futhi kulesi set isifundazwe, ngoba ngiyakholelwa ukuthini la eKZN hayi ngoba naku italent esingenalo. Ngicathi mhlawumbe nendlela elihlonzwa ngayo, nendlela ama team asenza ngayo manje iya limit ama opportunities for ama youngsters ukuthi akwazi ukuthi recognize abonakale kusa early. Uthola ukuthi sisokhala ngomuntu ukuthi wayenzima ithi iminyaka esimdlulile ukuthi angabe professional player, uthola ukuthi ila ezogqama khona ebonakala. Ngizokulinganisela nje ngombhobho bedlala kuthina. Umbhobho he never became a good striker overnight. Futhi vele he was a good striker esakhula. But ama team azambona nini, he was 29, close to 30 years. But this person was scoring goals from the young age.
Lese rasta khona bembona. Umbuzo ogcina Mwelas, uyibukile AFCON from Isuka, there's a possibility ukuthi usayibuka even namanje. Mhlawumbe nje iquestion ithi ubani ombona noma ombuke sema chances amaningi ukuthi angamuka naye.
Kuma quarter finals nemali neSenegal, sibe neCameroon neMorocco, Algeria neNigeria, Egypt neIvory Coast. Umuntu engimbona engakhala amuke nayo le AFCON iwona ama defending champions, iVory Coast. And I got a reason for that. Since ucoach wabo ethathe over from that last AFCON, he never lost even a single game.
That's a good record.
And coming to AFCON le, he has won all ama games asewadlalile.
9 points kushuthi mesuka lapha eza kwi last 16.
And you can see momentum yabile inyuka each and every game. They got umfana lapha odlala kwi Man United, uAhmad, who is doing very well since AFCON iqalile. I think he has got in almost every game.
Unama goal.
And they got other players who are playing in different leagues like abo Frank Casey, abenza kahle kakhulu abo Doye,
abo Zaha.
So babukeka be team ngempela e formidable, well organized. Yes, also there is in Nigeria. Of which I think they started a tournament very high. But in their last game sibonile incident abadlali baba babili uLookman no Osimhen, of which I don't think is painting image right for a team. But ke izinto ezikanje ebholeni ziyenzakala cause incident yenzeke iNigeria vele wina ngamagoli awu3. So let's say it was not personal, kwakuyi hit of the moment ngoba umdlalo unjalo. So if bengakwazi ukuthi balungise lokho, mhlambe even ifinal yami ngayibona idlalwa yiyona eNigeria naIvory Coast.
Jeez. Nganza kwethu sivala njalo ingosi yezemidlalo iSport Avenue la ku Durban Network. Bengisesihlalweni ke sakhe uSithokoziso Ntshangase noSibongeleni umfoka Mkhwane who's our soccer analyst. Sivala kanjalo uhlelo sithi abake babonana baphinde babonane. Danko.